and welcome to week 3 of the Home for the Holidays sampler quilt along. I am excited to share with you the Peppermint twist block today. We're going to see it before it was quilted, just the block itself, and then we're also going to show you a sneak peek of the block quilted already in the quilt. So let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to take an up-close look at the Peppermint twist block before it was put in the quilt sampler. I really love this quilt block with the pluses and the peppermint twist candies. What's really fun about this is you can show off a lot of different colorways. As you can see, I chose to go with a Christmas variety of colors for my quilt sampler, so it was a lot of fun to take the reds and the greens and the grays and even a few pinks that you'll notice in some of the other blocks for this quilt. These blocks are very simple. You're doing easy patchwork, simple sewing squares, and also just some half square triangles that aren't too hard for piecing. And I just think this block is very cute. I'm gonna show you the back just as far as ironing. Now, you're going to just be following the ironing prompts that are in the Home for the Holidays book for each block. But as you can see, some people will ask me, when I connect these two pieces together, I just press one way. I didn't press any of these open. So you can see my seams are all nice and aligned. It makes this block stay flat, which is what we want. And I think it turned out pretty cute. Okay, so now we get to see the Peppermint twist block quilted. Again, I just think this quilting is so cute. My quilter did such a great job. I love seeing the blocks in their final setting. That's a lot of fun. So you'll notice in the PDF, there is no additional fabric requirements needed for this block. So you won't need to worry about that while you're piecing this. I just wanted to make note of that. I just love this block. I think it turned out so good quilted, and I hope that you enjoyed making it as much as me. I also had so much fun doing the final layout of all these blocks. It was really fun to see which blocks I would put next to each other, and the Peppermint twist block is actually one of my favorites from the book. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video where we got to look over the Peppermint twist block from the Home for the Holidays quilt sampler. If you liked this video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Thanks so much for stopping by.